Sharing my culture with the people coming from all over the world is so special to me. It's actually not just for showing the places, it's actually creating memories together.
When I think about Turkey, I think about the hot air balloons over Cappadocia, and I have always dreamt of standing there and watching the balloons. I never expected to actually be in one.
Oh my God.
That is not gonna put me in the air. I'm shaking.
Oh, we're going. Not only was that one of the highlights of, I think, the trip, but definitely one of the travel highlights of my life. We're here on the Mediterranean, just cruising out of that harbour and I guess seeing the majesty and the beauty of the entire place alongside my new friends was like absolutely nothing else.
Is there one of those moments where you just, I don't think the English language has the right word to articulate what a beautiful day this is.
Hospitality is not just a gesture, it's a lifestyle here.
My special.
Felt like we were having a family dinner and this person was a stranger 2 hours ago and now I'm learning about her kids and her grandchildren.
When you come to Turkey, you always come as a guest, leave as a family.
And I think that's the beauty of this experience. You can leave home not knowing who you're going to hang out with or who you're going to meet, and then end up hanging out with your best friends and you feel like you've known them for such a long time.
It's a connection, not like anything else. I just really don't think there's anything like it.